Welcome back to the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to design a minimal YouTube intro screen in Photoshop. Open your new canvas and add your logo in the center. Now use clean gradient or blurred background. Then write new video every week as subtitle. Add glowing lines or geometric shapes. Keep animation layers separate for future edits. Then add light flare near the logo. Now apply outer glow to make it pop. Keep everything symmetrical. Add watermark or handle below. Save with transparent background after effect use. Export PNG sequence if needed. Your minimum